Okay everyone, I want to show you how easy it is to throw together a Mexican power bowl meal for your family. So over on my stove, I've got my ground turkey cooking. You can use ground beef, you can use ground chicken. I've got 1 pound, you can use 2, but it's just me and my husband, so I'm using 1 pound. And I found the largest casserole dish that I could find to use. And if you've got one, that's what you're gonna use. And then I'm going to add some taco seasoning mix into that ground turkey. And when I do, I'm going to add just a little bit of water, just maybe 1/4 cup of water just to keep it from sticking. Get that mixed well. While that's cooking, I'm going to make this 90-second whole grain brown rice in the microwave. I found this at the grocery store. What caught my eyes, it said no preservatives. And I thought I'd give this a try. Let me show that to you. This will actually save us from having to cook rice. And I put that rice pack in the microwave and it said let it stand in there for 3 minutes. I'm thinking, is it gonna explode or what? So I'm gonna let it stand in there. But while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to open this can of refried beans. And I'm going to put them in this bowl because I'm going to heat these for about 2 minutes in the microwave. Okay, so I'm back. My ground turkey's done. And we are going to start putting that in. I'm going to put this on one end of this casserole dish. And we're gonna make this very pretty. Okay, let's toss that. We are going to add, let's do our rice. Let's hope it doesn't explode. Wow. Okay, so next I'm gonna put the rice in here. Well, I like that. I tell you what, let's add our Pico De Gallo. I've got that in the refrigerator. You can buy some fresh Pico De Gallo at the grocery store, but I actually made some homemade. Make sure you drain the juice off of your Pico De Gallo before you put it in here. So I'm going to drain this. Okay, so I've got that drained off and I'm gonna go ahead and add this Pico De Gallo. And let me toss this dish in the sink. And next I'm gonna do the refried beans. Whatever your Mexican favorites are, you can put them in here. These are some of ours. Okay, I'll wash my hands. Next, we're going to add some sour cream. Make it all nice and pretty. And this works great, this little spatula for doing this. And last but not least, I'm going to cut up an avocado. If you like guacamole, that would be great to put on here, but I'm gonna cut up that avocado. I'll show you what it looks like. So I finished putting the avocado in there, and I wanna show you this. Isn't that pretty? This would be great to serve at a banquet or a wedding or just a party. It took me about 40 minutes to put together. It was so super easy and it looks so good. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Come back and like Home Cooking is for the Birds.